Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to dropship in Shopee Philippines. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, how do you dropship in Shopee Philippines? Well, in this case, dropshipping in Shopee is not yet fully integrated, meaning you'll have to do things here manually. Now, a great way for you to dropship via Shopee is to actually use Shopify together with Shopee. Of course, with these two platforms, you both need to have an account. Now, typically at the top right in Shopee, you should have the sign up or login option, as well on the Shopee page, which is usually they have a plan that you could try or try using, which is around $1 a month. So you could try their services for 1 month and you'll be able to actually try dropshipping. In this case, what you need to do is you need to actually first find your niche. Now, finding your niche is actually something the hardest here. Like for example, if you want to export clothes or export necessities like umbrellas or perfumes, you need to first determine what is going to be your market. Like for example, if you're going to necessities like umbrellas, you can go ahead and open up the product. And from here, as you can see immediately on Shopee, you should be able to see all the details that is available on the page itself. Now, with the details available here, you can actually go to your Shopee page here or your website, go to products, and from here, you just need to add your products. So typically, you can just click on add products here, and from here, what you need to do is fill out all the details. So that includes the title, description, and the price itself. Now, typically on Shopee, when you scroll down a bit here, you should be able to see the cost per item, the price itself, compare price if you want to make a sale. We also have the quantity here, the shipping details, well, and the weight of the item itself. Now, in this case, all the details that is listed in here is usually available in the Shopee page or product page itself. So it is also recommended that you download any videos or pictures that you see on the Shopee page here or the product page here and basically add it into your new product section in your Shopify. Now, in this case, once you've added that, the next thing you want to do is you want to fully customize or really build your Shopee page here. So in this case, let's go ahead and leave this page here. So if you don't have any teams yet, it is recommended that you set your team. So by default, they actually have a free team that you could use, which is the Dawn team here. Now, in this case, whenever someone actually orders something on Shopee, what you need to do is you just need to basically set the details here that you have on Shopee. So in this case, whenever someone orders something Shopify here, you just need to translate it into Shopee. Now, meaning you need to order it, provide all the necessary details. So typically in the order section, you'll be able to see the actual address, the name of the customer. So in the shipping details in Shopee here, what you need to do is you just need to basically check out using those details itself. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.